Welcome students. I am class teacher of LKG, subject EVS, topic transport. Students, today we will discuss about transport. Start now.
Transport. Airways. Aeroplane. Helicopter. Waterways. Boat. Ship. Roadways. Truck. Bus. Bike. Car. Bicycle. Railways. Train.
Everyone, he says. Okay? I'm Ayush. Has your school opened yet? No. We miss school a lot, don't we? Mine has. I'm so jealous. How can you go to school? You don't live in India? So you're in Singapore, is it? Okay. So, when you was going last year, how were you going to school, children? He goes by bicycle, it seems. Nice, isn't it? He says, how I wish I could go by airplane. Can anybody go to school by aeroplane? You can't, but that would be so much fun, isn't it? What are we talking about here, children? What is a cycle? Do you go by bus? Or do you go by auto? What are all these called? They're all different modes or means of transport. Okay, why? Because they help you travel. That means go. Travel means going. Okay, travel from one place to another. Do you want to see more of them, children? Come, let's go and first see the animation video of this lesson, and then we will learn the names of all those vehicles. Okay, children? Okay, kids. Now, what is that going up? Do you know what those blue color fan blades are called? Propellers. They're called propellers. Okay, and that's a helicopter. What is it? A helicopter. Do you know, children, a helicopter need not have a runway to land and take off. It can go straight up and come down straight. Okay, it need not have a runway to first slowly go and slowly become like a slide to go up like an aeroplane. Okay. Oh, look at the way that is taking off. That aeroplane is up in the sky now. Did you see how it took off? Want to see again? Here you go. What is that? It's an aeroplane. Okay. Now, have you seen this one, children? Do you know what that is called? It's called a hot air balloon. You might have seen it in your cartoons, right? That's called a hot air balloon. You have a huge cloth that acts like a balloon. It takes you up, and there's a basket in which you can sit or stand. Now, these are the vehicles that you use when you want to go very, very fast from one place to another. Okay, so they are in the sky. Now, what is this? Coming, a tricycle. Okay, and that's a bicycle. Why is this one called the tricycle and that one called the bicycle? Tri means three. This has three wheels. Bi means two. This has only two wheels. Okay, now look at that. That's a rickshaw. That means there's a person who rides it and he can make people sit behind also. You all must have never seen a rickshaw. I have sat in a rickshaw, and do you know something? I have ridden a rickshaw also once. It's fun but very, very difficult. That is manual. You have to pedal like a cycle and take people. But look at that auto. This also has three wheels, but the auto runs with an engine. You pull that thing or you button start it and three people can sit behind in an auto. Okay. Now what is this? This is a bike, a motorcycle. Okay. And that's a scooter. It's a scooter. There comes a school bus. It's a bus. The ambulance, did you see how fast it came in? Ambulances go really fast on the road because they have to save somebody's life. They have to take them, rush them to the hospital, right? So remember, children, when you're on the road with your parents and if you see an ambulance or you hear an ambulance coming, tell Papa, move to the side. Please let the ambulance go. Don't stop the ambulance. Don't obstruct the ambulance. It is the right for the ambulances to go very, very fast. Okay? And don't follow the ambulance for you to go fast. Okay? Wait, let the ambulance go, then you can go. Don't block their way. Okay? Now what is this? A police car. It's a police car. Okay, now what are all of these, children? These are all the ones that go on the road. A bike, a bicycle, a rickshaw, a tricycle, an auto, a scooter, a car, a bus, and an ambulance. There are more that go on the road, isn't it? A car, that's an open car. Okay. And this is a truck. And that is also a truck. Okay. Trucks carry goods, but the rest of them carry people. It is not good to sit in a truck as a passenger and go. Okay, children? So, these are all the vehicles that go on the road. Now, what is this? That's a train. Okay, and train goes on tracks. Okay, now what is this? This is also a train. Now this is a metro. Okay, few of you would have seen in the big cities, metros have already started, right? So there are different kinds of trains in which you can go from one place to another place. That means you can't find trains running inside the city. They'll have railway stations and tracks which go outside the cities or villages or towns to take you from one village to another village or from one city to another city. If you want to go from Chennai to Hyderabad, do you know what you will do? You will take a train or you will take a flight. There are people who drive in the cars also, but it's fun to go in a train, right? A train has an engine. Okay, and the sound of the first letter of the word engine begins with an eh, short sound of the letter E. Okay, and it has compartments in which people sit. Now these are all also on land, but they go on tracks. They need a track. Now what is this? That's a steamboat. This is a boat and they are called oars. Did you look at that? Shaking? Yes. Look at the steamer coming in. It leaves steam. Whoosh. It goes a little faster than the boat. Okay. Then comes a bigger one. What is it? A ship. A ship goes a little faster only on the sea, but you feel it is going slowly because it's a big one. Look at that ship going on all the waves and moving. Okay, so a steamer and a ship is coming. Boom. Look at that. Do you know, children, this is also called a cruise ship. People can see there are hotels, there'll be swimming pools also. And did you see there are small lifeboats which are there in the corner? If anything happens to the ship, you can take the lifeboat and save your lives. Okay? So boats and ships, yachts and steamers all go on water. Can you drive a car in the water? You cannot. Okay, children. Now, what you need to do is tell me the name of these vehicles. Car, right? How many wheels does a car have? 4. How many windows does a car have? Good. The bus. The bus has 6 wheels. Okay, it has a big door for you to get in. Remember, never stand in a bus. What is that? A steamer, a boat, okay, a motorboat. Car again, it's an open top car, okay. An aeroplane, a big one, no? A truck, okay. This is a lorry.
Students, I hope you all have understood topic, homework. Complete this activity given in page number 78 and 79 of the activity book. Thank you.